guys, my name is Emily. Welcome back to Junk Journal Inspirations. So today I just have a quick video, but it's a super exciting, important video, so I hope you'll watch. I put out a call in my Facebook group last week, I think, and I asked if anyone would be interested in playing with the digital kits that I have in my Etsy shop. It's, most of my kits are scanned ephemera that is from my personal collection. I have one full designed kit, and I am looking for, hopefully to have more time to make more kits. I have tons and tons and tons of things scanned that I just need to put together, clean up a bit, and that kind of thing, and get it listed. But in the meantime, while I'm working on that, I just was wondering if anyone would like to play and kind of I'm calling it a design team, but I don't feel like I have the right to call it that. I feel a little weird about that, but I guess that's what it is. So I just put the call out, and I just had people, contact me on Messenger, and it was probably within 12 hours, I had 9 people who said that they would be interested, and I'm so excited. I'm blown away. I really didn't think that anyone would would answer. So thank you to all of you. And so 9 people. I had no idea. So anyway, I wanted to share with you the names of the people, and also I have their Instagram and YouTube channels listed here. However, I am going to link to all of them in the description box. So please, please, please go and subscribe to their channels or follow them on Instagram. And then you will also be able to find all of the videos that people make using my digitals in a playlist on my channel. It's called Design Team Projects for Junk Journal Inspirations, I think. Now that I've said that, I'm not sure that that's right. I kind of went back and forth on how I wanted to name it. Anyway, you should be able to, I'll link it. I'll link it in the description box as well, and then you don't have to worry about it. All right, so we have Michelle Hill. She has an Instagram and a YouTube channel. Linda Welsh, who does not have a YouTube channel, but she has an Instagram account. Anna Milford has a YouTube channel. She might have an Instagram, but I was not able to find it. So Anna, I'm sorry. If you will just let me know, I will add your Instagram information in the description box. Lynn QV, that's not actually her last name, but that's what she goes by, because I'm not going to try to pronounce. She told me how to pronounce it, and I know I'm going to mess it up. So I'm just going to go with Lynn QV. She is playing with paper and glue on both Instagram and YouTube. Rose O'Keefe. She is O'Keefe_Rose on Instagram, and Journals in Time, all one word but capitalized, on YouTube. Lynn Behnke. She is Sparkles Creations Art on Instagram and YouTube. Yolanda Ramos, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. Her YouTube channel is her name, and then on Instagram she is Yo Bangle Dangle, which I think that's the most awesome name. Kathy Zorn, she is Kathy Zorn on YouTube, and then Zorn_Kathy on Instagram. Jennifer Mendoza, who was one of the ladies that won my Pay It Forward, well, didn't win the giveaway, but won, I guess you call it winning, I don't know. I promoted her channel, and she's got so many more subscribers now, so I'm so super excited for her. She is Junk Journaling Jen, with 2 N's on both Instagram and YouTube. And then I don't want to forget, my dear friend Dee Dee Farago has been sort of on my unofficial design team since I first started creating digitals, and so she's still helping me out with that, and I just wanted to make sure that I gave her some love as well. So on YouTube she's Dee Dee Farago, and then on Instagram she's DP Farago. So I will link to all of that information in the description box below, and you can go and check out all these wonderful ladies. Some of them have already done projects, so that's super cool. So you'll find videos in the in the playlist. And Linda Welsh, I have shared her projects to my stories on Instagram, so you can see her stuff there too, and then you can go to her page. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to these 10 wonderful ladies, and just say hey. So I will be back soon. I hope you're having a fabulous week, and I will talk to you in the next video. Take care. Bye.